on the way to San Agustin and we are late. Actually, they're starting already. Yes, almost just a little bit late lang kami. Tapos na ang kainan. So, we arrive here. It's 7 last word. So, here, they just started the 7 last word actually when we arrive. But everybody is already inside. Yeah. And Father Rodel is starting already. So, kaya, ayan. Nag-start na ang 7 last word. At wala kaming upuan. Kaya we just naupo na lang kami dito sa hagdanan. Ayan, mga nasa hagdanan kami ngayon. Parusa sa atin ng Diyos. Ayan, naglakwatsa pa tayo. Kaya tuloy tayo walang naupuan. Dito na lang tayo sa taas. Pero at least may pa-free coffee. Maraming salamat po sa free coffee. Ayan, at makinig na tayo sa 7 last word. After kumuha ng coffee, upo na lang tayo dito sa may hagdan. Okay, and we are listening to the 7 last word, and after this is pahalik. They are queuing now over there as you see. After pahalik is the communion. Tapos na ang misa.
A few moments later.
So after the mass, here we are again, visit the Christ the Redeemer, just behind San Agustin. Yes, picture muna kami dito sa Christ the Redeemer. Same like in Brazil, diba? Small na lang.
1, 2, 3. Oh, 2, 3. Oh, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3.
At ang ganda-ganda ng sunset dito as you see. Oh, super beautiful sunset. Wow. Nice. Thank you, Lord, for a beautiful day today. It's a Good Friday. Thank you so much. And bye for now, San Agustin. Bye. Thank you, support. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.